Yo, I guess it's time to get ready, get back to reality, going back to the city as we are done here. And yeah, not sure. I think I'm going home after this one because I'm just tired. I want to go for a ride. But man, look at that view. Woo, this is the shit. Right? Cancho, Rancho Cancho? Cancho Rancho. I don't know. Not sure. Alright, so I guess uh I'll get back to you when we're ready to take off. Alright. So I'm just gonna be following them. I'm gonna let them go first. Or I will go first. Depends. Whew, I'd say. This is not a good quality road. It's gonna be driving slow. Oh yeah. Puddle, puddle, puddle. Oh god. Sorry, Hickory. We got no choice. We got no choice, baby. Whew. So pretty much it's gonna be like this for like, I don't know. Oh my god. My god. Well, it's not that wet, so it will be fine. Gotta be careful not to lose traction. But I have faith in my Michelin. You know, these guys have been keeping me safe. This is just for fun. Gotta be with them here. So, shit. Gotta let the big guy go first. To the right, to the right. Adlawon Vacation Farm. Kind of similar to Rancho Cancho. Never been there. Long time right here. Patang yesterday, you know that guy who guided me to Rancho Cancho? I think he did a pretty awesome job. Did a pretty awesome job driving around here. He's so used to the curves. Foggy mountainous areas in the motherfucking Philippines. Represent. Right, I forgot to enjoy the view. I enjoyed the road. Less roads, more view. Oh yeah, there was a bump ahead if I remember it correctly. It was a bump, high speed bump. That's my nigga right there, a Honda Beat. Yeah. What's up, doggy? Can I pass? Sure thing I can. But man, the view is just amazing. I can't stop. Yeah, I just want to stop concentrating on the road. And I guess show you part of that view for a bit. Oh, fuel consumption. 1 bar already. Gonna be driving slow. We're almost out. Yeah. See that? Mayor Thomas Osmeña. He's the mayor of Cebu City. kind of like him. He's strict. I like strict people. You know. Wait for them around here. So yeah, they're here. You're recording. They go. Getting tired, so right. So see you in the next one. This is crazy. You were able to catch up to them.